Hi friends, welcome to our channel and today we will be learning about places of Indian culture and heritage. So let's get started. India is the birthplace and the cradle some of the world's major cultures and religions. That's why we say Desh Rangila Rangila Desh Mera Rangila. Various traditions have been contributing to the Indian culture. Today, we will be seeing few places of Indian culture and heritage. So, friends, let us see about the golden city of Punjab, that is Amritsar. Amritsar is the heart of Sikh culture in India. Amritsar was established in 1574 as the holy town by Guru Ramdas. Now, let's see the city of Nawabs, Lucknow. Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, is ranked high among the places to experience Indian culture and heritage. The city's architecture has been influenced by the Delhi Sultanate, the Mughals, the Nawabs of Awadh, and even the British. Chattar Manzil, Hussain Bath Clock Tower, Sikandar Bagh, Satkanda, Begum Hazrat Mahal Park, Shahi Baoli, Jama Masjid, and Butler Palace are the places of attraction. Now, next is Dilwalo Ki Delhi. Delhi is strongly influenced by several religions and dynasties. Rajputs, Sultans, Khiljis, Mughals, and even British ruled on these lands and left behind a part of themselves in the form of monuments, paintings, artifacts, literary works, customs, festivals, and more. Now, next comes the land of Rajput, that is Rajasthan. From dresses of vibrant colors to folk music and dances, and from local cuisine to festivals of Rajasthan. There's a lot in the state that makes it one of the best places in India to experience culture and heritage. Now, next comes the land of white desert, that is Ran of Kutch. Kutch holds the reputation among local and international tourists of its famous Ran Utsav. The carnival that lasts for about 100 days is an integral part of the cultural tourism in India. Now, next is the city of joy, that is Kolkata. This heritage city of India is also known to be the birthplace of urban Indian culture and literary thought, and a majority of Indians' notable literary figures stemmed from here. Victoria Memorial, Howrah Bridge, Indian Museum are the most prominent tourist places in Kolkata. Now, next is the palace city of India, Mysore. Mysore silk sarees, Udupi cuisine, and Dasra festival highlights of the city's rich culture heritage. Now, the next is the city of Nizams, that is Hyderabad. Galkonda Fort, Char Minar, Hussain Sagar, and Salar Jung Museum are the most popular tourist places in Hyderabad. Now, the next is God's own country, Kerala. Kathakali, Krishnanattam, Mohiniyattam, Thulal, Kodiyattam are famous music forms of of Kerala. Now the next is Asian Kingdom of Vijayanagar, Hampi. Hampi is a beautiful World Heritage Site which is situated at the northern part of Karnataka. This place is famous for holding the ruins of ancient kingdom of Vijayanagar. Now here comes Amchi Mumbai. Mumbai is financial capital of India. Mumbai is biggest city in India. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.